Hey everyone, this is Carl Bloss, MuskegonEVGuy.com. We just lost our power again here in Muskegon, and last time this happened I hooked up my house, or part of the house, some appliances, to an inverter and powered it with my Nissan LEAF electric vehicle. So it was unedited, so forgive all the little mistakes and things like that. Anyway, this is the car. Got the hood open. I've got a Jupiter brand, which is it's a Harbor Freight brand inverter, 2000 watt continuous, 4000 watt peak, hooked via 6 gauge cables with screwed in terminals to the 12 volt battery of the Nissan. Now the 12 volt battery is charged from the main traction battery through a DC to DC converter, so you do have to keep the car on, and that's why the door is open. I wanted to show, so you do have to run the car. So it's currently at 84% battery. So I am running the car, but turned the climate control off. Lights are off. Anything I can turn off, I do turn off. So it's drawing the power from that 12 volt battery, which is being kept charged through that DC to DC converter. And I believe the limit on that is somewhere between 1.5 and 2 kilowatts. So you don't want to drain continuously, or you will drain the 12 volt battery. So from there, yeah, you do want a pretty solid connection. I actually screwed mine in. I used the nuts. It's a 13 millimeter that are on the battery terminals, and then I have these flat blade connectors on here. And yeah, it's running right now. You can see that little LED on the left is flashing, so there's a power bar to see how much power you're using within the range of that 2000 watts. It's barely on right now. I believe it's running the refrigerator at the moment, and I believe the compressor kicked on. So then I just took the proper gauge extension cord, ran it into the house. It's going under the door, and the weather stripping is not so tight that it's going to damage the cord. And a bunch of extra cords. Ran it into a kilowatt type meter. Now I found, because of the modified sine wave, that kilowatt meter doesn't read correctly, but I kept it in line so I wouldn't break the circuit again. Put it into a power strip so I can turn it on off. Last time we had a power outage, I took an extension cord from the back of the outlet behind the refrigerator and brought it out. That's the gray or tan cord, and then there's a black cord that's the actual connection for the refrigerator. So that's the one that's currently plugged into the car, and it is running. I don't know if you can hear it on the video, but I can hear the compressor running, and I know the light's on. Yep, so it is running. And so the next thing I'm probably going to do is hook up my water heater, which is gas, but it needs the electricity for the controls. Hope this is helpful. If you got any questions, send me an email, carl.bloss